OLEGEND.
I'm giving out suggestions over here. I'm giving out suggestions.
What's up,
Young.
OG Legend?
Young. What up, Young?
Young Crouton stopped in for a little advice about the OG Legend, my man.
Alright. So what you looking for today? You trying to take out a big guy, a small
man,
guy?
I'm just looking for a little self-defense, you know?
Just a little self-defense.
It's getting a little cold at night, homie.
Alright, you getting a little cold? I got some heat for you. Come this way. I got just what you need. I got just what you need. Right here. I think this will do you just fine.
Now
Let me toss that up for you. Oh yeah, there
I'm
you
a
go.
little warm at night.
Yeah, that'll get you right. That'll get you right.
I'll see you very soon.
Let me know how that act. Let me know how that act.
That loud pack, that boot pack, my man. I got you.
999.
Light him up, y'all.
My dad always used to say, the bigger the gun. What's the fancy
Nacho. What you looking for today, man? I got anything you need. You looking for that? Nah. You trying to take out something small or something big? Small or big?
Medium.
Medium size? Here, I got just what you need. Come this way.
Ooh.
Medium size target. For a medium size guy, I would suggest this with one of these on it. And we're gonna throw a scope on it, that way you don't miss. Boom. Just like that. Give that a try and let me know how that worked out for you.
I will.
Yes, sir. Young, how did that work out for you?
Really good.
Man, what did you tell me, bro?
Did that work out for you?
Nice and hot and not, yeah, man, it worked out for me. That's an understatement, my guy. And we back up to the big leagues now, my man. You gave me a ladder, and I climbed them wrong.
This pretty nice too.
And what you got there?
Yeah,
What is the chef's specialty?
I think you might want to check that out too. Yeah.
My nigga, what is this?
Yeah.
3-round burst model too, man?
You
oh
might,
my
yeah.
God.
That might do the trick.
I might have to, my man.
Fully loaded.
You know
Fully
what?
loaded.
Check up, homie. I'll be back, bro.
Check that out. Let me know. Let me know how that works.
I'm checking that.
All right. Who's next up? Duck, what you need? What you looking for? You trying to take out something big, something small, something medium? What you trying to do?
Yeah, you have to go like
something small? Let me see what you got in mind. And I'll tell you what I got in mind. See, it's a lot of recoil. You don't want that. You want something like this. Something that's just gonna fire and get the job done. Something nice and small. I think you want to go with that, and you want to put one of these guys on it. One of these scopes. That one ain't gonna fit. Give it a little time. I'll be back in stock in about a few seconds. Just give it a few seconds, and I'll be back in stock. Let's get 5. Let's give it a 4. Let's go to 3. Let's go to 2. Still not in stock, huh? Let me try one of my other shelves. I think I got one of my other shelves. Right here. Here we go. Right here. There you go. Throw that guy on there. Boom. Boom. That's going to do the trick for you. That's going to do the job. You trading in clips for the gun? Alright, I'll take clips. Let me know how that works. Meanwhile, as you can see, I'm still number 3 as I'm handing out safety tips. I'm handing out safety tips and gun tips. Whatever you need, I got it for you guys. What you looking for, Snow?
Yeah, I need sniper.
You want a sniper? Oh, follow me. I got you, Snow. Follow me this way. Boom.
Oh, he knows where it is.
There you go.
Thanks, man.
Also, I got a suggestion for that. What you want to do?
Yeah.
Here, follow me.
Double sniper?
I'm gonna show you what. No, not that. I'm gonna show you what to do with this.
Double sniper.
Not a double sniper, but I'm gonna show you what to put on a sniper. Look, this is what you want to do. You want to throw one of these guys on it. Yeah. Okay. Now that's gonna get the job done. Also, you want to add one of these scopes.
This one?
This one.
What about this?
I suggest this one.
All right.
Block clear of it. Yeah. Now that's gonna get him out of there. That's gonna get him out of there. Go get out a try.
Okay.
Snuff.
Imagine using a sniper rifle in this
Yep.
game mode.
That worked? That did it? Alright.
Alright.
Thanks for letting me know.
Hey,
Thanks for
man,
letting
I'm
me know.
telling you, bro. 5 stars on Yelp, my man over here.
5 stars.
OLEGEND.